Guys, look at the cake.
It literally says I love you on it.
This is my cake.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Aisha and it's nice to meet you, and today we're going to be decorating Korean inspired bento cakes. Don't even act like this is not an activity you don't want to do with your girls. I know you want to do this. So I decided to give you guys a step by step. This event was hosted by The Bloom at Café Rudys, and they also had a really cute flower arranging workshop. So without further ado, let's get into it. I was looking forward to this event so much, and you know what I did on the day? I slept in. So I had like 15 minutes to put on the makeup that I did, and I think I did so well considering it was only 15 minutes. But yeah, Zara and Anam were not impressed with me. They were like, why do you always sleep in when you're going out with us? But I don't know, I feel like maybe they're my safe space and that's why I feel like I can get away with it. So as soon as we arrived, this is what they had at the entrance. It was absolutely beautiful. They had this gorgeous vase set up area. I need one of these in my house, in my room immediately. The Bloom, if you're watching this, please make me a vase like this. I absolutely love it. They had this gorgeous setup done for the flower arranging workshop where everyone got to make their own bouquets and take them home, and I think that is so cute and so wholesome. Such a girly, beautiful activity. But we decided that we wanted to do cake decorating first, so we went to that side of the event, and this was the setup there. Everything was giving aesthetic, beautiful, girly fun. The setup was so beautiful. We were actually so excited. This was so wholesome. Like, our hearts were so full. Guys, I'm gonna do a quick outfit of the day. The actual outfit of the day is at the end, but look how cute my apron is. Me in an apron, honestly, I didn't think I would love it, but I do. I actually love it. So this was our table. On the table, they had everything that you would possibly need to decorate a cake, from buttercream icing to the baked cake itself, and to literally everything you could possibly need, all of your essentials. The host of the event did a little intro.
So this is like just a celebration to say, here we are, Rudy, Bloom, and Bento cakes. You've got your...
Literally nobody would ever force me to do anything against my will ever again, and the only time you're going to see me in the kitchen is if I want to be, if I'm doing something I like.
She's so bad in the sale, huh? She would be. What do you...
Oh, I feel like these are cuter.
If you didn't guess already, that was my friends literally panic buying all of the ingredients and all of the toppings. Like, tell me why we got so many toppings and did not even plan the cake that we wanted and didn't even use half of them. But like, we just wanted them on our table as an option for when we do decorate. Do you know what I mean? Like, we need the option. Nobody is ever going to force me to do anything against my will ever again. So if I'm ever going to be cooking or baking or doing anything, it's going to be something like this, girly and fun and with my friends, and never against my will. I made the icing into this beautiful baby pink color, and then I started off with my crumb coat by adding on a large amount of icing onto the top of the cake. I love that bento cakes don't have to be absolutely perfect, and I love that they look absolutely adorable even without being perfect. At this point, me and my friends were literally getting stuck in. We were having so much fun. I find this so therapeutic. We all made plans to make these aesthetic cakes, and we all had like so many different ideas, but as soon as we started, we saw pink and we just could not help ourselves. I don't know what else we expected, because suddenly all of our cakes were pink with bows on.
This is my cake. This is Anna. And this is Sarah. Zara started later than us, so she's still going.
Still working at it, guys.
Yeah.
It's a work in progress.
So the crumb coating part of my cake, I did an absolutely amazing job. The piping, however, was absolutely horrendous. I feel like I just chose a piping nozzle that was way too big for my cake, and I feel like I didn't even need to decorate the bottom of the cake because all of that got squished when I put it into the bento cake box in the end anyway. Life is a learning curve, and I have now learned how to decorate a bento cake. Anyway guys, I was feeling sorry for how Zara's cake looked. It was giving happy birthday Harry, and in my circle nobody gets left behind, so I went back and I helped Zara smooth out her cake using this little card. I wish this turntable was automatic, that would be so much easier. But yeah, we just kept going, and slowly but surely the cake was coming together. It was giving an ombre bento cake, and it was so cute. Eventually we got there in the end, and we got to like a smooth enough consistency that Zara could take a picture of it and send it to her family. I really hope Zara does not kill me for posting this, but I'm hoping that by the time this vlog is is up, she's over it. Gonna give Zara a bit of credit for mixing together these colours because, I mean, she did that part. Then it was time to add the finishing touches. Look at the before and after of how messy this activity got. Guys, look at my finished result. Look how beautiful my little pink cake is. I absolutely love it. I feel like it's so gorgeous. It's giving Valentine's, it's giving girly, it's giving gorgeous, it's giving pink, it's giving everything that it needs to give. And if I was to order a bento cake for myself, this is exactly the design that I would have got. So I absolutely love it. Not everything in life has to be planned to the most perfect degree, because I went into this with no real plan and we came out of this with the perfect solution.
Look at all the cakes. Stunning.
Oh my god, everyone's cakes are beautiful.
That one's gorgeous.
Like, I couldn't even think of a bad one, you know. I like that middle one with the colours on it.
It's so cute.
And I like that one as well.
Gorgeous. People are skilled. No, you'd have to be sorry. You're so cute, Zara.
That's what I needed to hear.
I have favouritism to mine.
As you should.
I love that. So beautiful.
Love being put into rooms with creative and talented people. I love this cherry cake and I love that sage green one as well, but honestly, not gonna lie, I have favoritism for my own. And then I made my way home, and guys, the weather was not giving, but I can't complain because it's October and when it rains, that is when blahs get accepted. But yeah guys, the rain was just raining. But you know what, I'm gonna look on the bright side. My makeup that I did in 15 minutes lasted the entire day, did not budge, and I honestly don't know how I did it. Like, sometimes when you do your makeup in a rush, that's when your makeup actually looks absolutely amazing. I don't know why that happens. And then I came home and I showed my mum and dad the cake, and my mum and dad were so shocked and so proud of me and so happy, and they were like hugging me and they were just so happy because I made a cake. And me and my mum and my dad had a nice cup of tea together and we enjoyed the cake that I made, and it tasted so good. I'm so lucky because I'm living the part of my life where I get to have my cake and eat it too. And then we cut a little slice and it was just gorgeous. This event was so wholesome. We didn't actually get to stay for the flower arranging workshop because we had a bit of an extenuating circumstance, but as we were leaving, I did manage to get a quick outfit pick in. So I'm wearing this cardigan that I posted in my haul the other day. I will link that below. And then I'm wearing these wide leg jeans and my trainers as well. And then I just took my big pink bag because I was running late and I didn't have time to get a cute one out. But yeah guys, thank you for watching my vlog. As always, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my social media, and look out for my next vlogs. I tend to post every Wednesday and Saturday at 7 p.m. This week I was a little bit delayed, but I'm back onto it.